This is the first in a series I'm calling Monday's Minutes. Today we're going to actually look at how to design a knife, or in this case a kopis. So I'm doing a search for just something I want to build. There's a picture of some old kopises that I think we'll try and recreate. So all I'm going to do is start saving this file so that I can actually open it in KnifePrint. KnifePrint is a place I do a lot of design work in, and what I'm going to do is create a new project and import my picture. I'm going to then start tracing the shape of my knife. I'm just going around making sure I'm hitting most of the edges. I'm not really that worried because I'm going to clean it up afterwards. I'll just center it. And then I'm going to go on to actually edit the nodes. So if you've ever done any vector drawing, you'll notice that nodes can be arcs. So they can either be equal arcs, like I'm doing here, and I'm just taking all of the nodes that were straight pointed lines and turning them into arcs. Sometimes when we get to a node, though, we don't want it to be an equal arc. We want each side to be different. So KnifePrint allows me to create a node and then draw out the handles at different angles so I can get around this nice little point on the handle, and I continue to go around, turning everything into a nice smooth arc. And now, if you actually look at it, it's not looking bad. So I'm just adjusting the nodes a little bit, dragging them out to get a little bit more of the shape I'm looking for. And now I have a nicely shaped knife. I can print it out and copy it as is. But I want to do a little bit more design work. My goal is actually to fill all the spaces so the customer can actually really see what I'm going to build. Probably put a nice little ivory handle scale there, maybe some buffalo horn, give the guard a little bit of shape. And I'm just using the tools to drag the nodes around. If you'd like me to do a more detailed, in-depth dive, let me know in the comments. But right now, I'm just kind of figuring out where I want to go. You can delete a node, just right-click, delete a node. And now I have my kopis. Next thing to do is export it out to either a PDF, a PNG, a DXF, and then I can print it, trace it out on my steel or a wooden template, whatever I need to do. This is what the end product will hopefully look like. Any questions, please like and subscribe. The next video, we'll talk about how to fill in all of those colors and shapes.